Understanding, acquire a piece, in English. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we'll be diving into the meaning and usage of the phrase, acquire a piece. Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner, understanding such phrases can significantly enhance your English proficiency. Let's get started. Acquire means to obtain or get something, often with an effort or a process. A piece usually refers to a part or segment of something larger. When combined, acquire a piece generally means obtaining a part or segment of something. It's often used in contexts like business, art collection, or any scenario where parts of a whole are collected or obtained. This section will explore various contexts where acquire a piece is used. For example, in business, the company plans to acquire a piece of the emerging market. In art, she's looking to acquire a piece from that famous painter. Personal collections, he acquired a piece of antique furniture for his collection. Be careful not to confuse acquire a piece with similar phrases that have different meanings. For instance, get a piece of the action implies involvement in an activity, not obtaining a physical item. Here, we'll have some interactive exercises where viewers can try forming sentences using acquire a piece in different contexts. I hope this video has made the phrase acquire a piece clear and easy to use in your everyday English. Remember, practice is key to mastering any new language element. Keep learning, and see you in our next video.